Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my IPSY OS box. So this is the box they send me that has a sampling of what you might be able to get in your Glam Bag Plus or the regular $10 Glam Bag. So the bag this month is a see-through little bag that says Dream on it, and that seems to be the theme. They also sent me this little daily planner, monthly planner thing that says Dream It with a little pen, which I thought was cute. The big bag for the Glam Bag Plus is the same kind of Dream It thing on just a blue bag. The first thing I have is from KINSHIP, and this is the Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. I actually did think that this was pretty good. I wouldn't say that it fully cleaned all of the makeup off my face, but I usually do like a balm makeup remover kind of a thing and then wash my face with my cleanser anyway, so not a big deal for me. The cool thing about this company is that they use recycled plastic for all of their packaging, and they, you know, help clean up the beaches and stuff, which I thought was pretty cool. It does have a light fruity scent to it. You know, I thought it was fine. I don't think that I'm going to immediately switch my cleanser or anything, but I thought that it was fine. This one is a toner. This is Kombucha plus 11% AHA Exfoliation Power Toner from Youth to the People. This one, I mean, it's kombucha, right? And it's supposed to be made with tea, and it feels like you're putting kombucha on your face. It's sticky and it's a little bit weird. I didn't have a lot of like stinging or anything like that. And with 11% AHA, I feel like, you know, this is gonna be one of those face peely kind of toners, so you'll get that tingling sensation. I didn't find it to be too strong. It was just the stickiness that I didn't like. And even putting moisturizer on top of that, it was like, it was still so sticky. So definitely a nighttime thing if you don't mind going to bed with a sticky face. I can't speak to the long-term effects because I've only used it once, but overall it was a little weird. I'm not saying it's bad, it was just a little weird. This one is a moisturizer from BYROE, and they actually use salmon roe, like fish eggs, in the moisturizer, which is a little off-putting, I think. The moisturizer itself is fine. I don't have anything against it except for the scent felt a little bit strong on my face. It's funny, I just put it on my hands and I barely smell it. On my face, for some reason, it smelled so strong, so I don't know what that was about. The texture of it is pretty nice. You know, it's like a mid-weight type of a moisturizer. It's the fish eggs that I can't deal with. I mean, I'm sure that they have lots of nutrients and omegas and all that good stuff, but I don't know, it's just, I don't like the idea of it. This one, another moisturizer, this one is from PURLISSE. This is the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. A lot of the reviews on this said that it was too lightweight, and for me, I thought, again, it was more of like a mid-weight. It wasn't particularly lightweight. It feels more like a lightweight moisturizer, but on my skin, it actually felt very hydrating, and it doesn't have a scent. A lot of PURLISSE stuff is scented. This one does not have a scent, at least not that I noticed, and it feels really nice. So I think that I will continue to use this one because, you know, I liked it, and so far so good for my skin. This is a peel-off face mask, which I am generally opposed to, but a lot of the reviews said that it didn't hurt when you peeled it off, so I gave it a go. This is from Florence by Mills, and it's a company started by the actress Millie Bobby Brown, is that her name? I don't know, you know, she was in Stranger Things and Enola Holmes. Anyway, she started a skincare line. I guess it's geared toward young people, although it's named after her grandmother. And she has a bunch of videos of her using the products, and, you know, and she's very cute and personable. This mask is that like iridescent, beautiful, rosy, pink loveliness. And I used a brush to put it on. You could use your fingers. And in her little video, she's like, I start out thin and then I kind of gob it on. A lot of people said that it gave them a stinging, burning, itchy thing going on. So this may not be for everybody. It does have lavender in it as well. So if you have sensitivity to lavender, I would say skip this one. For me, the only sensation I had was like a cooling effect, and the actual peeling off went smoothly. I just peeled it all off in one go and it didn't hurt my face. I didn't feel like I was ripping my face off, which is usually the case with peel off masks. So I would say I actually like this, and it was kind of fun and it's pretty. Just be careful not to get it, you know, in your hair or on your eyebrows or anything. And then, you know, after a while it dried, I peeled it off and there was still a couple goopy bits, just washed them off, no big deal. My skin looked lovely and refreshed. So yeah, I'll use this. This is a hair product. This is from IGK and this is Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. So you're supposed to put this in your hair, like I guess when it's damp, and it's supposed to get rid of the frizziness and help detangle your hair. It's basically like a leave-in conditioner. It smells very strong, first of all. I like the smell of it. It's kind of like a fruity, musky, I don't know, but it smells good. I like the way that it smells. And the product itself is good. I think a little bit goes a long way. I don't have particularly frizzy hair, so for me it's more of just like a leave-in conditioner, you know, but it felt nice. I used it on my daughter's hair. If you use too much, it will kind of dry crunchy in your hair, so don't use too much. Just, you know, a little bit goes a long way. Use it on your damp hair, work it in, and then style your hair like normal. And it doesn't weigh down your hair as long as you use a small amount. And then a makeup brush. This is from LARUCE, and this is the LR222 Kabuki. This one is in Denim Blue, and I've already had this brush in black. And you know, you can see it's the same brush, just different color, and I kind of like the Denim Blue. I think it's cute. This is a small Kabuki, which you can use for like concealer and smaller areas. You can also use this as shadow brush. As for concealer, I find the bristles to be not quite dense enough for what I like, although it works perfectly well. I prefer it for my eyes, especially like, you know, blending out the crease, you know, wider sort of swaths of blending. I think it works really, really well, and you can use it with cream products or with powder products. With powder products, you are going to get more product on here because it is more dense. It's not a fluffy brush, but I like the size and shape of it, and I think it works really well, and it's a multitasking kind of a brush, so I like it. Plus, I like the ridged handle on here, and I like the Denim Blue. This is from Cover FX, and this is the Shimmer Veil, and I have the color Celestial. So I do have this on my eyes right now. I also have it on my cheeks. On my cheeks, for me, definitely not an everyday look. I don't know if you're seeing how sparkly this is, but it's more of a chunky sparkle than just like a glow on your cheeks. So for me, you know, not an everyday thing, but I did put it on today so that you could see. On my eyes, I do like it. It's a very light color, but it's very pretty, very sparkly. I have it kind of on the inner corner and then all over the movable part of my lid. This goes on really well and blends out really nicely unless you're putting it on top of powder products. If you're putting it on top of powder, forget it. Just, it's not going to blend at all and it'll end up just frustrating you. So put it on before your powder products, but once it's on and once it like sets, it doesn't budge. I wore it all day long and I had no other makeup on, so like I had my oily eyelids and everything, and it did not budge all day long. And it looked beautiful and it was lovely and shimmery and shiny. You can also use this on your lips. I don't like it on its own, just color-wise. However, on top of this, I thought that it looked really pretty. In fact, I might show you in a second. What I have on my lips is another one of the products. This is Patina from STILA. This is Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. So I have two of them here because this one is the one that I got in my box and this one is one that I already had. And you can see that there is a slight color difference. In fact, I swatched it on my hand. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is definitely a difference. They're similar, but my old one is just slightly darker and the newer one is a little more cool toned, a little more mauve-y looking. So the one that I have on right now is the new one. It's a beautiful shade. I absolutely love this shade. This is one of their old school, everybody loved this color kind of a thing. I mean, it's really pretty. It's a nice, flattering, cool toned mauve-y pink, but it's definitely pink. The formula on this is really, really good. It does tend to be a little bit drying. It's a liquid lipstick, but you know, not a big deal. It does stay all day and the colors are gorgeous. So let me show you with this on it. So if you're gonna put this over your lipstick, dab it on your finger because you don't want lipstick all in the brush, especially if you're then going to use it on your eyes. You know, don't mix colors. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on my finger and kind of dab it on my lips. And so now I have a metallic shimmery liquid lipstick. And like I said, it does dry down and it will stay put all day. So it is a very good quality product. You know, it's up to you if you like shimmery products, you know, and you can use it on your lips, your cheeks, your eyes, wherever. It's good for everything. And CoverFX is like vegan and cruelty free and stuff. So I love that. Okay. And my final product is a mascara. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The packaging on this is cute. I actually have a pair of shoes that matches this, but it's very heavy. I picked up the box and I was like, whoa, that's a heavy mascara. I love this mascara. It has kind of a guitar shaped wand. You can see it's like an hourglass kind of a thing going on, but I brought out my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara because it has a similarly shaped wand, except that the Too Faced one is so freaking fat. Look at this. Can you see the difference? The Too Faced is on top and it's so fat that it's really uncomfortable to use. Like I have a hard time using such a fat wand. And I really like the size and shape of this one. It's not too big, but you know, it works really well. The formula itself has stretchy polymers or whatever, so it doesn't dry crispy. You don't get any flaking. They say that it's not going to smudge. However, if you rub your eyes, you're gonna get raccoon eyes, big time. If I don't touch my eyes, then it stays put and doesn't go anywhere. I haven't fully tested it with like heavy working out, sweating, or you know, crying or anything like that, but I have a feeling that it will definitely run once it gets even remotely wet. However, just for normal use, I really love it. I have it on my eyes today and I just feel like it gives me va-va-voom lashes, and I don't have great lashes. So if I can get nice, thick, long lashes with just a couple of coats, I will say that 3 coats I find to be a little too much and it starts getting really clumpy at that point, but 2 coats is perfect. You could even get away with 1 coat if you want, you know, not so dramatic lashes, but I love the formula on this. I'm really happy to have this. And that's it. Those are all the products that I have. So like I said, these are products that you could get in either of the regular Glam bag or the Glam bag plus. So let me know which bag you guys get. Are you getting any of these products? How do you feel about them? I always love hearing from you. And then I will get my regular Glam bag plus in a couple of weeks, I'm guessing. So watch out for that video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!